Bring the glass, Sir Barret.
Okay.
Sire Barret. Watch it not fit after all the drama.
Fits well.
She laid
really
in
well.
there, didn't she? She laid in there, good. Now, I have some sealant, but my glass guy said to try to put it in here.
Take these things off.
Yeah. Instead of, he said it gets too messy if you try to lay it on the ledge and then put the glass on it. And he asked me about the overhangs, and I said, yeah, I got a huge overhang. It's like 4 feet. You can't see it from here, this angle. So there's not going to be any water getting against this. So all we're really doing is trying to seal out air. So before we put the stops on here, we'll put a fine bead around. It'll be awesome, isn't it?
That's cool, Dad, yeah.
All right, Barret, what we're going to do is we got leftover material here, and we're going to make a piece to go on this side to act as a stop to hold the glass in. And what we're going to do is rip it right down the middle, so we'll be getting 2 pieces out of 1.
Cool.
It'll be awesome.
That part.
In our effort to make production, Barret and I didn't video doing this, putting this stop on, but what we did was we've got one of these screws to look like buttons, Barret. And some people will be like, why'd you do it that way? Well, I laid them out. I have a template, right? So we went 3.5 inches from each corner just to get back from this end far enough, okay? So they're all planned, but now if this glass breaks, all I gotta do is take it out and replace it, right? You know, if Bigfoot comes up here and knocks too hard on the glass one night, you know, I can just replace it.
Yep.
We won't be able to replace that Bigfoot though, because I'm going after him. Barret, I am your father.
Yep.
What we're gonna do now is rip down some stops. And I got some leftover material from making the jams. Isn't that cool, Barret? And we're still, the tongue and groove I've had for 7 years is still giving us life. So we're gonna rip down a bunch of 1 inch by 3/4 inch stops for the inside and the outside. Sir Barret's bringing the window sash. Now this, there you go. Look like, she's gonna fit. All right. We put our stops on the inside. Now we're gonna put our stops on this side. How they go like that? Well, that was close, wasn't it?
Guess so.
Now we gotta decide which to make. The window's thicker than I thought it was. Let's think about this for a second. So Barrett, I ripped this stop down, so it wouldn't compete with this edge.
Right.
Because when we do our trim will be like that. After we get both windows in, we'll trim out the whole thing, and the top piece of trim will go all the way across. I made the windows the height of the door, the same height as the door. Genius. So unfortunately, we're not going to be able to video putting it in right away. So I wanted to get a little video of it made. You're gonna pose for your picture, pose for Instagram, pose for your social media, the girls that love you so much.
Right.
So Barrett and I are trying to plug up the holes, and we had insulation, you know, that we had in the hole already while I was putting the windows in, and that's going to seal it up nicely, isn't it, Barrett?
Yeah.
And then we'll caulk this side. Well, Barrett, we got it in.
Yep. It's awesome. It's cool.
Now we'll get another one over here the next time. Barrett and I only get a couple hours a day to work on this kind of stuff. We have to build other people's houses at the same time. So now what we'll do is next cut this out, build another one of these, and then the trim will go all the way around, you know, all of it. So it'll look like one big unit. Awesome.
Are you jamming? Are you jamming on Granddad's intro